We believe that world is changing very quickly and unpredictably. Given that, we need to prepare our students with the knowledge, skills and mindset that can create an impact in the world. We want our students to have a hope that problems can be solved, and they can be problem solvers and innovators. Our VSTEAM program provides wide range of opportunities for students: robotics, design thinking, digital classrooms, and project crafts. Students, when they work on real-world global problems, they have different kind of excitement.
Project Rabt is all about connection. It taught us how to apply all the skills and knowledge of each subject to solve real-world problems. We research a different global and local issue every year, and then design innovative solutions for it. It usually teaches us a wide variety of skills. In grade 7, we took up the global issue of water scarcity. Globally, 70% of all fresh water is used for agriculture. So we turned to aquaponics as the solution. Aquaponics uses significantly less water than traditional agriculture. We learned important skills such as construction and the importance of planning before execution. We also learned how to work together as a team. In grade 8, we discussed the global issue of carbon emissions and identified the major source of them as being buildings. Keeping that in mind, we designed the net zero energy house, which took advantage of all of the natural resources available to us. Making the net zero energy house, we learned many important skills such as woodworking and how to actually craft the wood to fit together seamlessly. We learned how to construct scale models of the solutions, and we learned how to communicate as a team.
Students must be exposed with the latest technology and equipped with futuristic skills, and robotics is one area that is contributing to that. Students come to robotics lab, they design their robots according to the mission assigned to them, and they program it. Through this, they're learning critical thinking, they're developing strategy to solve those problems, and side by side, they're applying the skills that they are learning in their math, science, and other disciplines.
Here at Generations, ICT and robotics is a compulsory subject that we study from grade 3 till grade 9. In grade 3, we start from scratch and build a very strong base for the future establishment in the subject. We can say that the 8th graders are keenly working on robotics and practicing their skills. The maths that they are using are of the International World Robotics Olympiad. In 9th, the students participate in Generations Lego League, which is an inter-school event and a simulation of first Lego League.
GLL has always been one of the Ibn Rush's premier events. In the event, teams must work together to come up with innovative solutions to problems using robotics. In the past, Generations has had multiple teams qualify and win multiple awards in the national and international stages of play. This year, for the first time, in light of the current pandemic situation, GLL Online was held, in which students took on challenges of the regular FLL season using the digital facilities they had available. In addition to this year for the first time ever, GLL Juniors took place, in which students from the middle section were able to coach students from the junior section. This keeps in line with our legacy of passing down the torch. First from our teachers to us, the students of the senior section, then from us to the students of the middle section, and then finally from them to the students of the junior section.
Mentoring during the GLL was a huge honor, and it was extremely rewarding to guide young minds of tomorrow. Alhamdulillah, both of my teams were able to bag winner positions and even won the overall winning trophy. The reward for seeing someone you taught winning is beyond imagination. Mentoring teams in GLL entitled me to guide teams to bring out their full potential and outshine others.
I've been at Generations since pre-nursery, and Generations has always given a platform for us to recognize our abilities and the talents we have.
I enjoyed doing the GLL. The most interesting thing was the robot game. It was challenging and bit difficult, but I did it.
Honestly, for me, it was a wonderful experience mentoring the new learners which were coming in this field, and hopefully they'll progress well.
Seeing the children, the students, grade 5 students' excitement is really heartening for us since we work so hard with them, and the experience is awesome. We got to mentor them, we got to coach them, we ourselves learned a lot, and were able to teach to our the younger students. It was a really great experience.
It's a great initiative, and I really love to see the kids doing these absolutely good technical stuffs. It's a great thing for them.